Hello, this is Byron speaking, and the people that sponsored this and helped me put this together and donated their time and some of their money to help me make it is Battery Plus up in PA, Langhorne. They helped me put the batteries in these solar generators right here. And if you need help putting batteries in your solar generator for Go Zero, these are the guys to go to. They helped me out. They've been backing me and helped me get batteries when it's hard to get batteries. Battery Plus, thank you. I appreciate your help. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to do some of this stuff. Langhorne PA, next to Sesame Street Place, right down the street from Sesame Street Place. Battery Plus. I appreciate the people that helped me out a great deal, and they work with me. What we have is Extreme Go Zero 350 right here, and I'm going to explain to you why these are better than the new ones. These could go outside in the freezing cold weather, wintertime, dead winter time, and work. I'm not telling you not to do, to try it on your unit, but these right here work. All these are going up in price. These are climbing up like crazy. This right here is so hard to get. These got special batteries in it. I had to wire it up, and I'm feeding off of this Extreme over here. I'm using this as my power source right now for lighting. And I have these lights right here. Excuse me, I'm maybe moving too fast. What's this right here? This is my homemade, it's my repair kit because I can't afford to get the battery yet and to find one to make that back to the normal working condition, the normal way. So this is a Shepherd 120. I bought it off of eBay. The batteries exploded, so I wanted to still use it. I know, I could make it work temporarily in emergency. So I figured out a way. So I ran a power cord to it, put a hole right there to make it work. This is a Go Zero. They put batteries in. This is fully charged. This works perfectly. The way I found out how certain solar generators work are to set them outside for a week inside of a car during winter time, 30 degrees. And the lights, everything that these old units that nobody wanted, and right now they hot demand. You won't know that they want them. Even the 1250s. And they seem to have lead acid battery, and the batteries are getting scarce right now. So your best bet is to run down to Battery Plus and buy your batteries while you can. Because another 6 months you won't be able to get certain batteries, and it's turning like that right now. My main man will hook you up on some good deals on batteries, and he'll look for them. But prices are doubling right now, so you might want to get down to Battery Plus. They have hard to get batteries. See this 400 right here? This is better than a lot of them. This was outside for a week, and it worked. It doesn't turn colors. It doesn't stop working when you put a load on it. It just works. And if the battery is a problem, I go down to my main man, to Battery Plus, and they hook me up. I'm just showing you, this is old stuff. I just got this right here today. I had to take it down to Battery Plus and let them fix it, and they fixed it for me. It works fine. I got it off eBay dirt cheap. A lot of people didn't want to take it, and it's in mint condition. There are hardly any damage or scratches to it, as you can see. It looks almost brand new. This is the reason why I bid it on it. Great deal. Seller sold me a good deal. This was never outside, so that's the reason why I looked at it. I took a look at the pictures. This has not been outside. This has been outside in the heat. I knew that this might have had a problem. I wasn't sure, but when I got it later, after I figured out, took it apart, the batteries exploded. These take special batteries. These batteries are about $700-800, and if you don't know how to install them yourself, they cost thousands of dollars to have somebody put battery into this, and then end up not being worth it. Instead of throwing it away, it's still good for something. Like you can see, I'm still running power. The inverter still works. See, the inverter still works. I got this separately, but I bought everything in pieces. And it came with a brand new solar panel too for this. And then it'll work with this too. I have an adapter for this. The only thing I realized that they don't talk about doing the, when they selling these, order to have this to work, the USB work on this, you have to have the power inverter on. Nobody never discuss about to have the, not a cigarette lighter. You can see it's on. That retains power. It's not regulated. It's not a pure sign, but it works. This is regulated, and it's not regulated either. But it's a pure sign right here. That's why I keep this. See, that says pure sign. This on this, they don't talk about it. But this don't have a pure sign. This is just for regular use. Now, if you have a battery, I wouldn't, I would get the adapter if you had a sleep apnea machine and use the Gold Zero 13-volt adapter for the cigarette lighter. But these work in the wintertime. In emergency, I will use these in the wintertime. And people are buying these up. The ones that nobody wants. The old obsolete. And you can't even buy these. These are, you lucky if you find one. I got lucky and found this one together. So, always remember that you see those new designs out. And they just came out this year and last year. I tested a couple of them and they do not work in cold weather. And some of them don't work right after being in wintertime. You could have it covered up and still the cold weather damages them. These right here, it doesn't matter. They just work. So remember, during wintertime, you want to try to get these if you can. Especially these. And these are disappearing. These are $200 now. These are going up to $200. Before you used to be able to get them for like 25 and 50 bucks. You can't even buy these for 25 or 50 bucks now. Even these are going up. These 400s are going up. And I'm watching them go up to $400, especially coming near wintertime. People in Texas realize that some of the solar generators they was buying top dollar are unable to work during wintertime. So I have been experimenting with the wintertime in the cold car climate, sitting in a cold car that's under 32, and these work. These work freezing cold, the battery doesn't freeze up, and they just work. So thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you for Battery Plus for backing me up and supporting me. Y'all have a blessed day.